Hey dolls, so I'm coming to show you dolls this really cute, quick sew-in kind of style and how you could do it really quick and easy. And I did these really pretty crimps in the hair. I'll tell y'all in the end what happened to my hair, but I just refreshed it. So this is how it looks. So if y'all want to see how I got this really quick install and how I styled it and everything, then keep on watching. Okay, dolls, so this hair is from Hurela. This is the box here, really cute pink. Okay, this is the bag that the wig came in, and this is actually a V part wig. So it's like a U part, but it's better because it's easier, you know, like you don't have to leave as much hair out and you can really cover it really good, or you can do it with no hair out. So this is a 24-inch and this is a body wave texture. And then on the inside, they sent a wig cap. Also got this scarf, which you could do like with a little style. Also sent this satin bag that you can store your wig in afterwards or whatever you want to put in there. And then they also sent a crochet hook, which I guess in a way, if you wanted to attach the wig, maybe you could do it that way, some kind of way. I don't know. But yeah, so I got another wig cap. Maybe, I don't know how that one got in there. Maybe my daughter stuck the other one in. But I got some clips in here as well. Some hair clips. And then I also got some lashes. And then lastly, a satin scarf. I have this same one in this print already. So you already have that same scarf and it's nice. So that's nice. So this is the hair. It turned out really, really cute. My curls did drop and fall a bit. I just kind of refreshed them because I did get caught in the rain, sadly, but it's still really cute. Like the ends kind of look a little messy looking now. But you know, I kind of just let it go and fluff out on its own. And then yeah, the top part of my hair did get a bit frizzy, so I did just go in and refresh that so I can film the intro and outro. Because your girl was running late this morning. But yeah, y'all probably like, girl, shut up. Let's get into the video. So get into the video and then I'll come back and talk to y'all at the end. Okay? Okay, y'all. So this is how my hair looked initially from previously being styled and everything like that. So I just took my hair down and you can see how my hair is looking. And this is how the wig looks. So you can see all of the clips and combs that are in the wig and how you can actually attach it onto your head. It also does have adjustable straps in the back as well. So now I'm going to start prepping my hair for installing the V-part wig. So what I'm going to do is go in and do a middle part because that is the style that I wanted to do. So I just go in and do the actual middle part first. And then I'll go ahead and put the wig on to see if the part is back far enough where it will sit nicely with the wig. I definitely suggest doing this because you don't want to have your part not be long enough and then it's going to be like bunching up on top of your hair. So go ahead and just put it on and see, you know, if it's lining up perfectly. And then I go in and part a section of hair down that is going to cover on each side of the wig. You can just, you know, part off the section that you're going to do for your whole leave out and then do your middle part later. But for me, I like to do it like this so it's kind of more even. So I just go in and part that off and then I just twisted the hair that is going to be left out on either side. And then I go in and part it again on the opposite side. And then I'm also going to go ahead and twist that as well. So this hair is all going to be my leave out. Now with this V-part wig, you can do it without having any hair out, but I personally like it better with having some hair out because it gives that sew-in kind of vibe. So I just go in and twist both of my little twists together, and this is my leave out section. So now to actually attach the wig on, instead of doing like anchor braids, since I don't braid the best, what I like to do is to go ahead and rubber band off a section, and this is what is going to hold the wig on, because you could go ahead and just put the wig on and like brush your hair back, put it in a ponytail or whatever, but with your hair just being down and flat, the wig is gonna kind of slide, even though it has those clips in it, and it kind of pulls on your hair more. So whenever you put the rubber band in and do these little ponytails like what I'm doing, it kind of gives the clips something to hang on to, and it's definitely way more comfortable this way than just putting the wig on top of hair that is not, you know, have like an anchor braid or something like this. So basically, this is my anchor braid without having it braided, if you know what I'm saying. So this works good for anybody who isn't the best braider or anything like that. It's going to give your wig a nice secure hold and just have something for your clips to hang on to. So once I go ahead and part one side, put it in a rubber band, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And if you could see, I did part off some hair in front of the little ponytail because that is like your leave out. And you know, whenever you get a sew in, you like leave some hair out in the front to cover any tracks or anything like that. Although it wouldn't show, I just prefer it like this because it gives more of that sew-in kind of vibe. And if the wind blows or anything, no tracks or the wig is not going to be exposed or anything like that. So now once I have did that, I'm just going to braid up the rest of my hair. You can just put your hair in a ponytail or whatever is easiest for you. But I try to do my little, you know, cornrows that I could do, you know, as best as I could because I'm not the best braider. So they are kind of loose, but it doesn't matter because it's going to be under your wig. You just want to have something pretty flat so that your wig does not look super bulky or anything like that. And you can see I have a section in the front that is also out, so that is like my leave out as well, that will cover anything. If the wind blows, the wig is not going to be exposed. So I just braid my hair all the way down on each side. So I'm going to do this on both sides, and then I will just tuck these braids up underneath the wig, and it gives my wig a nice flat base. You know, like if you were going to cornrow all of your hair, but you don't have to go in and do like a bunch of little cornrows or anything like that. So this is how it looks. You can see it's already nice and flat. And then I go in and I'm doing my baby hairs. I didn't show the full process, but you can kind of see I did like a little bit of, you know, dramatic baby hairs with some different little swirls and swoops and everything like that. So this is how the wig looks after I have crimped it. And I did leave the front part uncrimped because I do like to crimp my hair along with the wig together to give it more of a seamless kind of look. And I'm just going to go in and put the wig on and attach the clips onto my little faux anchor braid ponytails that I did make in the wig. So I am going to put some hairspray in the hair because whenever you're doing crimps, you definitely want to use some hairspray, because if you don't, the crimps are just going to drop like super fast and they're not going to really hold their shape at all. You may want to use a hairspray that's a little bit heavier, but I wouldn't say anything like got to be glue because it's going to be way too crunchy. So I do like kind of like a softer hair holding spray, if you know what I'm saying, so that the curls hold their shape but it's not too crunchy. So yeah, and with these crimps, they always last really good whenever I do them. Like I find myself putting the wigs back on even after I have styled it, took it off, put it back on just to go out. Like with this wig, I definitely put it on and I didn't do, you know, like my leave out and style it and everything. I just put it on and threw a hat on top like when I needed to run out really quick, and the crimps were still in the hair and they looked nice. They weren't as defined, but it still had some waves and crimp to it where it did still look nice enough that I could throw the wig on, put a hat on, and be out the door. So yes, I'm just going in and crimping the front section of my hair with the wig so everything will blend in nice and seamlessly. So you can see how it looks. And then I just go in and I'm just fixing up my baby hairs anywhere where they got messed up, because it was like the next morning when I did actually go in and put the wig on. So I did already sleep like on my baby hairs. So I just refreshed them a little bit. And then I am going to take the hot comb and just lay the top part flat because I don't want it to have like a big hump at the top where the crimps started. So I'm just using my hot comb to kind of like hot comb the top part a little bit, and also using the back part of the hot comb to really flatten it down. And be careful because it's hot. Or you can use a curling iron or a wand or anything like that and kind of just press it on the top to really smooth it out. Just, you know, giving it a little bit of heat to flatten out the top section. So this is how it is looking, and yes, stay tuned for the outro. All right, y'all, so this is the completed look of the hair. Like I was saying, I got caught in the rain, so I did have to refresh the hair. Let me just tell y'all real quick. I plugged up my phone last night to charge. I was already up late, like doing my hair, prepping the wig and everything like that. And then I plugged my phone up to charge. It was already late. And I set my alarm clock, and then my alarm clock didn't go off this morning. I set it for like 7 something, and then when I woke up, it was like 8 something. So I'm like, why didn't my alarm clock go off? So I checked my phone, and it's completely dead. So I'm like, what the hell? Then I'm like checking, it's plugged in. It looked like the plug is plugged into the, you know, to the, because I use an extension cord. So I'm like, it's looking like everything is plugged in. But it wasn't. Like one little part was a loose, and that just messed up the whole thing. So I was already up late. I had to get myself together, get Amiri together, and I was gonna do my makeup and try to look cute today, which I'm not even mad that I didn't get to do all of that because it was raining so bad. And I got caught in the rain, so it messed up my hair and stuff anyways. But now I have fixed it. We came home, the rain has stopped, so I can go back out and finish doing what else I needed to do. So I went to go get my nails done, get my toes done. I got me a nice little pedi, okay? This probably like extra TMI, but whatever. So yeah, that's what happened with my hair, but it's still really cute, and it was really easy to fix really fast. You can also, let me just show y'all real quick, you can also kind of wear it like this. I kind of like that, like push it a little bit behind so you can see the baby hairs a little bit more. And yeah, or you can kind of tuck this whole part back if you want to do that. But yeah, I feel like your hair will blend in pretty nicely no matter what length it is, especially if you do the method that I did where you use a piece of the wig as well as your hair and crimp them together. But if you have any layers, like here I cut some layers in my hair so you can kind of see it's shorter, but I could have face framed the wig to flow with it, but it doesn't really bother me. And yeah, I think it turned out so cute. Y'all can tell I really like this hair. And to say that this is only a 24 with crimps, it falls really nice. So I would say with any hair that you have, if it's shorter, you know, not like a bob, but if it's like a 20-inch, 22, 24, something like that, like what I have, and you want it to kind of look longer, crimps don't really take away from the length that much like how curls would. So if you still want to keep your length, but you want to have some curls in the hair, like some waves, body, whatever, and you don't want the hair just to be completely straight or with regular curls, I would say try some crimps. And crimps are always super cute for summer. They just do take a while to do. But yeah, so that's it. I'm rambling. I love y'all. I miss y'all. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Bye, dolls.